Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Number 12 is an extension of number 11. It's that final stage within the marketing communications mix and the funnels, bringing the customer down the mountain to our Golden House of Enchantment. And number 12 is to build golden pathways to our House of Enchantment and then treat our customer as an honored guest. And what do we mean by this? Well, at the point the customer, if you imagine the customer crossing the bridge onto our island, this is when we want to be creating a fantastic customer journey, a customer experience. Maybe we open the door, walk out towards them, take their hand and guide them through that final stages. This is the time when customers are most likely to go, oh, maybe not, I'll wait. I'll go back up the mountain for a bit. I'm unsure, I don't know. This is where a sales representative comes in, customer services comes in, a specialist sales in technical sales might operate. This is where customer relationship management, account-based marketing becomes really, really important. So that final stage, we want to entice the customer in, but maybe then we arrange a sales call, or maybe we arrange a meeting, we have a meeting and go forward. And then we might have to do a proposal, and we might have to get them through the door. So we have golden paths to our House of Enchantment. And then once they're in our House of Enchantment, that's when the real fun just begins, because we have something called the ladder of loyalty. Now, I'm sure a lot of people have heard of the ladder of loyalty, but in reality, in most businesses, often somebody will come through the door, they'll buy something, then they'll go back out. Is that really a customer? We don't think so. You really have to buy 3 or 4 times before you're a true customer. And then you want to be treating this person as a treasured guest. They are staying in your house. We want them to you think of the ladder of loyalty like floors in your enchanted house. We want them to be in the top floor. We want them to feel like raving fans. That's the phrase that everybody uses. But in reality, we don't need everyone to be a raving fan. What we want is most people to be incredibly happy with the service that they're having and to recommend us along the way. Sometimes raving fans can be that. Raving. So we don't want everyone to be a raving fan. So if you imagine you've done all your marketing, you've got your communication, so what happens at that final stages? This is the granular detail. How am I going to greet that customer? How are we going to just welcome them in? The finer detail of the customer experience through the door. And then how do we treat them like a treasured guest and make them feel more important and actually ensure that they are feeling like a member of something and eventually a raving fan on the top floor of happiness. So that is the success of a business and marketing master. And ironically, what we've done is we've encroached down and down and down and down into granularity, more and more detail. Now what we're going to do is we're going to expand that up a bit in the last few successes.